So I've been doing a lot of M4 mods lately, custom mods, doing some performance upgrades, put a nice bigger spring in here from XFORCETAC USA. So we've got an M100 spring in here. And then you can see just a lot of custom cosmetic stuff going on. So you can see my barrel here. Now this barrel was actually a lot more difficult than it needed to be because it was printed in multiple parts. So it was set up for somebody with a smaller printer, which I would have appreciated, except now I have a bigger printer. And printing barrels in pieces to try to line everything up perfectly is not always the easiest because you got to make sure that inner barrel is perfectly straight. So after a few adjustments, I was able to get it there, but not as easy as the barrels that I can print in one piece. So let's talk about this a little bit, right? Again, like I said, performance-wise, putting a spring, putting a metal inner barrel, those are the easiest performance upgrades. And then, of course, an 11.1 volt battery. And you should see a huge difference by doing, essentially the spring is really the big thing. And then that battery just makes it shoot faster. So otherwise, we got the cosmetic stuff. So we got the little magwell kind of grip here, right? Like I said, the barrel, we got the little riser up top. And then this is a really cool stock that I printed because as you can see, it's also got a spot for a spare magazine. So I thought that was a really cool design. So I wanted to go ahead and use that one. And then of course the battery just resides inside the buffer tube like it would anyway. So give you kind of a close-up look at this one, right? So you can see how that barrel works, a little different look to it, something different than I've done before. I keep trying to mix it up and do different styles. So I'm not showing you guys the same thing. And then this stock is really cool too. With my new printer, it's a lot easier to print stocks because I can print them all in one piece and you get some really cool ones like that. So this was just a really cool design. Since I have the extra pieces for like the mag release, it was able to work out really good with that. And just went with the black and the silver because I thought those were kind of nice complementary colors. Still went with some of that grippy type paint on the barrel and the stock because not only does it help cover up imperfections, it also adds a little bit of grip, which I think is a good idea. All right, so here it is, one of my custom M4a1s. We got an upgrade spring from XFORCETAC USA, so make sure you check out XFORCETACUSA.com. Whether you're looking for performance upgrades or actual blasters, they have all that stuff there. And all the files that I used are free on Thingiverse. So if you've got a 3D printer or the ability to have someone print for you, you can go ahead and find those fairly easily, okay? So if you got any comments or questions, please post them below. All those comments, questions, those likes really help with the YouTube algorithm, so please make sure you guys are commenting and liking. I really appreciate it. And of course, make sure you're subscribed and participate in the monthly giveaways where I give away awesome custom blasters. I made kind of a similar version with an M4 Wasp that's white and blue that I will be giving away, but it's got this very similar style foregrip barrel, except it has rails on the side. So look for that soon. That'll definitely be given away in the early part of 2023. Usually those contests are towards the end of the month, and the main video on my channel will always have the contest video that describes the rules and talks all about the contest during the whole active period of that contest. All right, so check back. We'll do a demo, an FPS test with this, see how it's shooting, how hard it's shooting, how fast it's shooting, because I'll throw an 11.1 in there, right? Because why not? So, all right, thanks for the support, and make sure you check back for all the awesome Gel Blaster videos.